Hey guys, I just received my Spillproof Funnel kit, and I really like it. This is pretty cool, and it's going to work really well for the Corvette. I put out all the pieces. You have your big funnel with a stopper, which I guess I'll have to demonstrate later. That's a great idea, actually. Then you have adapters. These yellow ones, everything is color coded, as you can see here. One of these is for GM, the other one is for Ford. This is a plastic threaded cap. Then you have a metal red cap with an adapter. This one is for the Corvette GM, I guess. And also I tried it on the my truck, and it fits my Dodge with the Hemi, the radiator, perfectly. So that's great. And these two here, the green and the blue ones, they're also metal pieces, and I believe those are for imports. In addition to these adapters and caps, you get this extension tube, and also get these 45-degree elbows. And everything fits inside the funnel, and then the cover here has a little tab so you can actually hang it on the wall. So the first thing you want to do, working with a cold motor, is to remove the radiator cap. Then you're going to take your red adapter and the red cap, and what you want to do is you have this thick rubber gasket here that goes toward the radiator, and you want to put it together like this, line it up, and then push and tighten the cap. That fits there very nicely. Next, I'm going to use one of these orange elbows. Again, a tight fit, very nice. And lastly, you have your funnel, which again, you want to angle it as close to the hood as possible. That gives you almost a 90-degree funnel here. I was talking about this plunger that comes with the kit, and this is a great idea because as you're circulating the coolant while the car is running, you're going to have coolant in here. Then when you're done, you're going to shut it off, and you can put this stopper in there, and then you can basically remove the funnel with any leftover coolant, and you can pour it back in the bottle, which is great. So that is it as far as installing these pieces for the Corvette. And you have your funnel, one of the 45-degree elbows, and the red cap and adapter. So I got my setup ready here. I chose not to install the air cleaner this time. With my funnel, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour some coolant in here, just to have it ready. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up the car and from there. All right, take two. Forgot to install the vacuum advance hose and the PCV hose as well. So I think I'm ready now.